There is a company in Hawaii with over 130 years of combined experience in pest and termite control, and their fearless leader is with us on the couch right now, the owner of Pest Tech Hawaii, Ian Mateo. Aloha, Ian. How are you, brah?
I'm right, and you?
Mike, Ian, I was being the LA on your website, and I see that you guys, handle all kinds of pests in Hawaii, including the cane toad, which is one of my biggest fears. We'll talk about that, Bombay. But 130 years of experience, is that woven into your integrated pest management methodology?
Absolutely. When we started our company, we were able to start with 7 people with no less than 15 years of experience. And that combined experience, we're able to create strategies to get rid of bugs and insects without just using pesticides.
What are some of the other strategies you guys use? If I may, it's a top secret, right?
Yeah, super top secret. I'm gonna tell everybody right now. But integrated pest management is basically a strategy of getting rid of pests without just using pesticides. So we control the environment, we reduce the amount of standing water to get rid of breeding mosquitoes. We lock bugs out of the house, right? Put door sweeps underneath the door so the roaches stop crawling underneath. So other things other than just moving on to pesticides.
I love that. Now, you guys also, well, first of all, you guys do free estimates, and you also have the pest-free guarantee. What is that? Talk to us about that.
Basically, we put our money where our mouth is, and our name, my name, we back up all of our work. And so if it's within one of our pest-free guaranteed programs, you have us do the work. If the pests are still there, we keep on going at it. We hammer away till they're all gone.
So you're talking about like termites, silverfish, everything, right?
Termites, silverfish, roaches. You call us for your roaches. We're not going to stop till your roaches are dead.
Brah, I'm calling you up for sure. Now, I was checking out you guys' website, pthlife.com, and you guys offer tips and tricks to maintain that roach-free environment, roach-free hale, which is pretty difficult. Now, one of the tips is basic housekeeping, which is cool because coincidentally you guys also just launched a cleaning service. You guys have a cleaning division. Talk to us about that.
Yes, so we just started our cleaning division, which kind of goes hand in hand with integrated pest management, right? Cleaning things, making sure bugs don't have a place to live or eat. And so yes, it was a very easy transition, and to be able to parlay pest control into cleaning services, we just launched it. Household cleaning, residential, commercial, real estate cleaning, basic household cleaning. Really simple.
That is cool because a lot of times when a person is selling their house, they gotta, they want to make the tent their house and do all of those things, and then at the same time make sure the house is clean for the next person, and that's right up your guys' alley.
Absolutely. So when we're already working with our realtors to do termite inspections, to do the tent fumigation, we can also provide the house cleaning services before they turn it over.
That is amazing. Hey, Ian, thank you so much, and I got to tell you, the next time you come on the show, which is going to be next month, right?
Yeah, next month.
We got to talk about cane toads because that's. Along with roaches, I know, I'm so afraid of roaches. It's toads. I will jump 15 feet in the air if I see one toad close by me, and I'll use some words that we cannot use on TV, so we'll skip that. I'll prepare for next month when you come back in. Pest Tech Hawaii, thank you so much, Ian, for being here. We appreciate that.